Every entrepreneur wants success, but what separates those who make it from those who don't? The difference lies in smart decisions, the right strategy, and relentless execution. Today, we're diving into game-changing business insights that can take your career or company to the next level. If you love learning about business growth, make sure to subscribe. We're always bringing you valuable, real-world tips. Like this video if you're ready to level up, and let's hear your thoughts in the comments. What's one piece of business advice that changed your mindset?
Why some businesses thrive while others fail. What if you could uncover the secrets behind successful business models? Imagine transforming your idea into a thriving business that stands the test of time. In this bookshot, you'll discover how to build a robust business model, ensuring long-term success and profitability. Before we get started, take a moment to ponder these questions. 1. What problem does your business solve? 2. Who is your target customer? 3. How will you deliver value to your customers? 4. What are your revenue streams? 5. What are the key activities and resources required for your business? 6. Who are your key partners? 7. What is your cost structure? Jot down your initial thoughts. You'll discover the answers as we progress through this bookshot. Understanding the core of a business model. A successful business model is like the blueprint for your business. It outlines how your company creates, delivers, and captures value. This includes identifying your target market, understanding customer needs, defining your value proposition, and outlining the processes and resources necessary to deliver that value effectively. Crafting a compelling value proposition. The value proposition is the cornerstone of your business model. It's a promise of value that you deliver to your customers. To craft a compelling value proposition, consider these steps. 1. Identify customer pain points. What problems or needs do your customers have? Conduct market research, surveys, and interviews to gather insights. 2. Highlight your unique selling points, USPs. What sets your product or service apart from competitors? Focus on features that provide unique benefits. 3. Articulate clear benefits. Translate your USPs into clear, concise benefits. Customers need to understand how your product will improve their lives or solve their problems. 4. Use simple, jargon-free language. Your value proposition should be easily understandable. Avoid technical terms that might confuse your audience. For example, Apple's value proposition is built on providing innovative, high-quality products that offer a seamless user experience. This clear, compelling promise has allowed them to build a loyal customer base and become one of the most successful companies in the world. The customer. Knowing your audience. Identifying your target market. Knowing your audience is crucial to the success of your business model. Start by identifying your target market, which comprises the people who are most likely to buy your product or service. Here's how to do it. 1. Conduct market research. Gather data on potential customers through surveys, interviews, and market reports. Look for patterns in demographics, behaviors, and preferences. 2. Create customer personas. Develop detailed profiles of your ideal customers, including their age, gender, occupation, income level, interests, and buying behavior. 3. Analyze competitors. Study your competitors to understand who their customers are and how they are meeting their needs. This can provide valuable insights into your own target market. 4. Segment your market. Divide your target market into distinct groups based on specific criteria such as age, location, buying behavior, or interests. This allows you to tailor your marketing efforts to each segment. Customer segmentation. Segmenting your customers into distinct groups allows you to tailor your offerings and marketing efforts to meet their specific needs. Here's how to effectively segment your market. 1. Demographic segmentation. Based on characteristics like age, gender, income, education, and occupation. For example, a luxury brand might target high-income individuals. 2. Geographic segmentation. Based on location such as country, state, or city. A restaurant chain might offer different menus in different regions. 3. Psychographic segmentation. Based on lifestyle, values, interests, and personality traits. A fitness brand might target health-conscious individuals who value an active lifestyle. 4. Behavioral segmentation. Based on buying behavior, usage rate, and brand loyalty. An online retailer might segment customers into frequent buyers and occasional shoppers. Netflix, for example, segments its market based on viewing preferences, offering personalized recommendations that keep users engaged and subscribed. Delivering value, channels, and customer relationships. Channels are the means through which you deliver your product or service to customers. Choosing the right channels is vital to reaching your target audience effectively. Here's how to determine the best channels for your business. 1. Identify customer preferences. Understand how your customers prefer to shop and receive products. Do they prefer online shopping, physical stores, or direct sales? 2. Evaluate channel options. Consider various channels such as e-commerce websites, brick-and-mortar stores, social media, email marketing, and direct sales teams. 3. Choose a multi-channel strategy. Don't rely on a single channel. Combine multiple channels to reach a broader audience and provide a seamless customer experience. 4. Ensure consistency across channels. Maintain a consistent brand message and quality of service across all channels to build trust and loyalty. For example, a clothing retailer might use a combination of online shopping, physical stores, and social media marketing to reach a wider audience and enhance customer convenience. Customer relationships. Building strong relationships with your customers is key to retaining them and fostering loyalty. Here's how to develop effective customer relationships. 1. Understand customer needs. Continuously gather feedback from your customers to understand their needs, preferences, and pain points. 2. Provide exceptional service. Ensure that your customer service is responsive, helpful, and friendly. Train your staff to handle inquiries and complaints effectively. 3. Engage regularly. Keep in touch with your customers through newsletters, social media, and personalized messages. Share updates, promotions, and valuable content. 4. Reward loyalty. Implement loyalty programs, discounts, and special offers for repeat customers to show appreciation and encourage repeat business. Companies like Zappos have built their success on delivering outstanding customer service, which has resulted in a loyal customer base and strong word-of-mouth referrals. Revenue streams. How will you make money? Identifying your revenue streams is essential for financial sustainability. This could include product sales, subscription fees, licensing, or advertising. Understanding how each stream contributes to your overall revenue helps you prioritize and optimize your business activities. To effectively identify and manage your revenue streams. 1. Diversify revenue sources. Don't rely on a single source of income. Explore different ways to monetize your product or service. 2. Analyze profit margins. Understand the profit margins of each revenue stream to focus on the most profitable ones. 3. Monitor trends. Keep an eye on industry trends and customer preferences to adapt your revenue strategies accordingly. 4. Innovate. Regularly innovate your offerings to create new revenue opportunities. This could involve developing new products, entering new markets, or creating premium versions of your existing products. Key activities and resources. These are the crucial actions your business must take to succeed. This could include product development, marketing, sales, and customer service. For example, for a software company, key activities might involve coding, testing, and regular updates. To identify your key activities. 1. Map out core processes. Outline all the processes involved in delivering your product or service. 2. Prioritize activities. Determine which activities are most critical to your value proposition and customer satisfaction. 3. Optimize efficiency. Continuously seek ways to improve the efficiency and effectiveness of your key activities. 4. Invest in technology. Leverage technology to streamline operations and enhance productivity. Key resources. These are the assets required to execute your key activities. They could be physical, like manufacturing facilities, intellectual, like patents, human, like skilled employees, or financial, like capital. Identifying and securing these resources is crucial to your business's success. To effectively manage your key resources. 1. Identify essential resources. List all the resources needed to perform your key activities. 2. Secure funding. Ensure you have adequate financial resources to support your business operations. 3. Build a skilled team. Hire and retain talented individuals who possess the skills and expertise necessary for your business. 4. Protect intellectual property. Safeguard your intellectual property through patents, trademarks, and copyrights. Strategic partnerships. Building strategic partnerships can help you leverage other companies' strengths, access new markets, or reduce costs. For instance, Uber's partnership with various vehicle manufacturers allows it to provide a reliable fleet of cars to its drivers without owning any vehicles. To develop strategic partnerships, 1. Identify potential partners. Look for companies that complement your business and can provide valuable resources or expertise. 2. Establish mutually beneficial terms. Ensure that the partnership benefits both parties and aligns with your business goals. 3. Foster strong relationships. Maintain open communication and collaboration with your partners to achieve shared objectives. 4. Evaluate partnerships regularly. Continuously assess the effectiveness of your partnerships and make adjustments as needed. Cost structure. Understanding your cost structure involves identifying all the costs associated with running your business. This includes fixed costs, like rent and salaries, and variable costs, like materials and utilities. Keeping a close eye on your costs and finding ways to optimize them is vital for maintaining profitability. To manage your cost structure, 1. List all costs. Identify all the expenses involved in running your business. 2. Categorize costs. Divide your costs into fixed and variable categories. 3. Analyze cost drivers. Understand what drives your costs and look for ways to reduce or eliminate unnecessary expenses. 4. Monitor costs regularly. Keep track of your expenses and compare them against your budget to ensure you stay on track. Insights from experts. Robert Kiyosaki, in his book Business School, emphasizes the importance of leveraging networks and building strong teams. He argues that successful business models often hinge on an entrepreneur's ability to create systems that generate passive income and build a network of people who can contribute to the business's success. Elon Musk, the visionary behind Tesla and SpaceX, advocates for innovation and relentless focus on product quality. His approach to business involves setting ambitious goals, embracing failure as a learning opportunity, and continuously pushing the boundaries of what's possible. Learning from the Lean Startup. In The Lean Startup, Ries introduces the concept of the minimum viable product, MVP, which allows businesses to test their ideas quickly and efficiently. This approach helps entrepreneurs gather valuable feedback and make necessary adjustments before fully launching their product. Applying this methodology can save time and resources, ultimately leading to a more successful business model. Key takeaways from the Lean Startup. 1. Build, measure, learn loop. The core of the Lean Startup methodology is the build, measure, learn feedback loop. This involves building a basic version of your product, the MVP, measuring its performance in the market and learning from the feedback to make improvements. 2. Validated learning. Instead of relying on assumptions, use real-world data to validate your business ideas. This minimizes risks and increases the chances of success. 3. Pivot or persevere. Based on the feedback, decide whether to pivot, change direction, or persevere. Continue on the same path. This flexibility is crucial for adapting to market needs and finding the right product-market fit. By following these principles, entrepreneurs can avoid the pitfalls of over-investing in untested ideas and ensure their business models are grounded in reality. Learning from The Hard Thing About Hard Things. Ben Horowitz, in The Hard Thing About Hard Things, shares his experiences of navigating the challenges of building and scaling a business. He emphasizes the importance of being adaptable, making tough decisions, and maintaining a strong company culture. 1. Embrace the struggle. Building a business is inherently challenging. Embrace the struggles and view them as opportunities for growth and learning. 2. Make hard decisions. Leaders must be willing to make difficult decisions, whether it's about firing employees, changing business strategies, or dealing with financial crises. 3. Focus on culture. A strong company culture can be a significant differentiator. Define your company values clearly and ensure they are reflected in your everyday operations. 4. 4. Be prepared for crises. Every business will face crises. Prepare for them by having contingency plans and maintaining a calm, composed approach when they occur. These lessons from Horowitz highlight the importance of resilience, leadership, and strategic thinking in building a successful business model. Conclusion: building a successful business model involves 1. Crafting a compelling value proposition. 2. Identifying and understanding your target market. 3. Selecting the right channels to deliver your product or service. 4. Building strong customer relationships. 5. Identifying your revenue streams. 6. Executing key activities and securing necessary resources. 7. Forming strategic partnerships. 8. Managing your cost structure. Results of the test reflecting on the initial questions. 1. Your business solves a specific problem that customers face. 2. Your target customer is the group most likely to benefit from your solution. 3. You deliver value through the most effective channels. 4. Your revenue streams are diverse and sustainable. 5. Key activities and resources are aligned with your business goals. 6. Strategic partnerships enhance your capabilities. 7. Your cost structure is optimized for profitability. Practical advice: as you embark on your entrepreneurial journey, remember these key points. Stay customer-focused. Understand your customers' needs and continuously strive to meet them. Be adaptable. The business landscape is constantly changing. Stay flexible and be ready to pivot when necessary. Invest in relationships. Build strong relationships with customers, partners, and employees. Keep learning. Stay informed about industry trends and seek advice from experienced entrepreneurs. By following these principles, you'll be well on your way to building a successful business model that stands the test of time. Now is the time to take action. Reflect on the insights shared in this bookshot and apply them to your business idea. Craft your business model with care. Focus on delivering value and never stop learning. Your journey to building a successful business starts now. Go forth and create something extraordinary.
The business world moves fast, and the key to success is staying ahead of the game. The more you learn, the more opportunities you'll unlock. So, if you enjoyed today's video, hit that like button to support the channel, and be sure to subscribe and turn on notifications. We have plenty more business insights coming your way. And don't forget, join our community absolutely for free to get more information on this topic. Let's keep building, innovating, and achieving success together. More knowledge, more discoveries. Click the link in the description and unlock valuable insights. 100% free.